Now we're going to get on the Halloween train.
Yeah.
This is a big eight-wheeler. It is a big eight-wheeler. It is a big eight-wheeler. She's rolling down the line. It's a big wheel moving down the track. True loving daddy ain't come back, and I'm moving on. I'd soon be gone. You were flying too high for my little old sky, and I'm moving on. But Mr. Fireman, won't you please listen to me? Got a pretty mama down in Tennessee, keep moving me on. Hey, keep rolling on. Yeah, shoveling the coal, keep riding the road and keep moving on. Yeehaw! Yeah, you switch your engine. I ain't got time for no trifling moments on my main line. Keep moving on. Hey, we're rolling on. You're gonna ease my mind, put me there on time. Keep rolling on. Yeah, someday, baby, when you've had your play, you're gonna want your daddy, but your daddy's gonna say, he's gonna say, keep moving on. Hey, keep rolling on. Yeah, laugh on me and I'll set you free, and I'm moving on.
Go, go.
He's a big eight-wheeler. He's a big eight-wheeler. He's a big eight-wheeler, and she's rolling down the line. Down the Halloween line, Molly. Rolling down the, on that train, they're all in costumes.
Yeah.
They're drinking coffee, smoking big cigars, and having the Halloween show. That all the prisoners are looking out of their windows going, I'd like to kill those bastards.
Just to watch them die.
And they're all looking back saying, boys, the business of America is business. I got a lot of stock in the penal system, and you shut your faces. Yeah, you want to privatize the penal situation, Ma, because there's money in everything. Money in everything.
Is it actually called the penal situation?
Penal, yeah, penals.
That can't be right.
Penitentiaries, yeah, penal. Oh, yeah, the penal system.
I think that's right.
You think it's the penis system? Because there's a lot of penises in there?
Okay. Anyway, moving on.
Okay. It's the Halloween show, and you never